Hello, welcome back to our Software Ideas Modeler tutorial series. In this episode, we'll learn how to create and manage a lookup table in a database diagram. Let's get started. In our current diagram, we have a student entity with a major attribute, which is of the Embark type. Now, let's create a new entity called major. This entity will have just two attributes, ID and name. With our major entity set up, it's time to modify the student table. We'll change the major attribute to major ID to establish a clear connection. As we connect the student and major entities, notice how Software Ideas Modeler alerts us when ID and major ID have different types. This feature helps maintain data integrity. With our entities linked, let's populate the major lookup table with some values. After selecting the major entity, we click on Add Data Row. A floating window appears where we can enter values like computer science, biology, and history. These data rows are displayed below the entity attributes, providing a clear overview. But what if we want to store this data only in the model and not display it in the diagram? Simply right-click on the entity, navigate to Show Parts, and deselect Data. Now, the data is stored but not displayed. And that's how you create and manage a lookup table in Software Ideas Modeler. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try creating different types of tables and explore the software's capabilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.